What's going on, guys? This is What Traders. I'm going to be talking about natural gas. I just wanted to do a quick recap on what happened. We saw that natural gas rejected at around 2.339. It did also bounce from my I have a lot of trend lines, so I have one trend line that it did bounce from it. However, at this point right now, there was a lot of consolidation yesterday overnight until 12 a.m. Then it dipped and it continued to dip. The reason why it was because the 00Z weather models came out quite bearish, about negative 11.43 loss of TDDs. But right now the 12Z gained some of those TDDs back, and we're slightly positive at around 1.01. So basically what happened is we gained on the latest model. We did gain some HDDs during the second week, but we did lost more TDDs on the last week, right? For the, I think it's days 11 through 15. So 11 through 15, we see that it dipped on HDD. So we didn't want to see this. We wanted to see it keep going up, because according to the extended forecast, it does show that we are going to have some type of cold front coming in. However, again, it's very important that you guys understand that weather models can change at any time. Extended forecasts are the least reliable. The extended forecasts are only used for you to have some kind of I don't know, kind of light at the end of the tunnel. Okay, so should I do this because it may be rewarding, or should I not do this or wait for the short term? A lot of people just trade the short term. I like to trade the long term and the short term. So if the short term are not confirming, you know, the extended forecast, I also call them long term, but it's not confirming the extended forecast, then you might want to get out. So what did I do today? So today I did bought the dip. I bought it back in at 2.26. I have a stop loss set up at around 2.245. So if it does reach my 2.245, then I'm going to start reducing my long position, because it seems that it's not showing the bullishness that we wanted to see. That being said, I'm going to hold my position until it dips below or goes right back up to around 2.34. So if it does go back up to 2.34, I'm going to start reducing my long position as well, because I already doubled down at a 2.26. So I'll be in profit, so I'll be able to hold a little bit more longer for the remaining of my balance. That being said, extended still shows bullish. Short term, we lost hitting the degrees at the tail end, but we did gain them during days 6 through 10. So days 6 to 10 we gained HDDs. Days 11 through 15 we lost HDDs. That's the best way I can put it. That's pretty much it. I just want to give you guys a heads up of what's going on, why did the market dip, and kind of funny story showing one of my friends yesterday. We're talking, I think a natural gas was around here. Then I start drawing a kind of like a wedge, right, where it should NG should make a big decision. So coincidentally, it happened right at, you know, my crossover is right at midnight. So my right at midnight I have a crossover, and yes, indeed, right at the crossover, that's when we started heading down. That's when the 00Z models came out, and it came out negative 11 point something. So that's why market dipped today. Now the 12C is showing some recovering slightly, but not enough to push natural gas upwards. So again, at 2.245, I'm gonna start reducing my long positions, and if it reaches back up to 2.34, I'm gonna start reducing also my long positions, because I want to take some profit, right? Especially because I had to double down at 2.26. So that being said, make sure you guys stay green, be careful, do your own research, okay? Do extremely important, do your own research. Go check your weather models, go look at your technical analysis, go see market sentiment, whatever the case may be. Just make sure you guys do your own research as well, besides just watching YouTube videos and things like that. So that being said, just be careful trading, and I will see you guys sometime this week. So hopefully.